Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be reviewing 2 mini rolls and a muffin. So let's start off with the muffin.
Make sure put the link to my channel in the description.
Okay, you'll have to help me with that.
I will.
Not bad. Not bad.
Everything on this plate I do not like.
It's not that bad. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Next up, we've got this mini roll. Let's try it.
You've got to show the inside of it. You could put it right really up close to the camera.
That's the inside of it.
Yeah, like that.
It's got some raspberry in it and cream inside.
By the way, my next video is going to be a weird one. After I've uploaded these two. And on my live stream.
I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. And finally, we've got this normal, ordinary chocolate mini roll. This one's only got cream inside, and I'll rate it a 9 out of 10. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, absolutely destroy that like button and subscribe down below, and check out one of the videos on the screen now. Goodbye.